cucumber gel to get glowing skin in 15 minutes only. What to use to make your skin naturally shiny and glowing. The glow on your skin adds life to the beauty of your skin. A glowing skin looks fresh and attractive. But, all of you do not have the beauty rich in glow. The skin of many of you is dull and dead. It is because of poor nourishment and lack of good skin care. To keep your skin glowing naturally, you need to take good care of your skin, and for this, there is a need to follow a proper daily beauty regime. In the video below, I am going to share with you a simple recipe to make the best cucumber gel to get glowing skin. Make and use the gel to get glowing skin. To make natural cucumber gel at home to add natural glow to your skin, here is the recipe. For this, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: cucumber, corn flour. Procedure: take a cucumber, and grate it with its peel. Squeeze the grated cucumber and get fresh cucumber juice. Take the cucumber juice in a bowl. After this, add 1 to 1½ spoon of corn flour to it. Now, mix the ingredients, and make a lump-free mixture. Microwave this mixture for 20 to 30 seconds, or you may also use the double boiler method. You can store it for a week in the fridge. Now, the best cucumber gel to get glowing skin is ready for use. How to use: apply the gel to your dull and rough skin, and after 5 minutes, spray rose water. You can mix this gel to your face pack or cream. For the best results, you can use this gel twice daily. This simple cucumber gel to get glowing skin is the best to use. Its preparation and application is quite easy and simple. Also, you need only 2 ingredients to make it. So, if you are tired of your dull, dead and rough skin, make and use this gel, and make your face naturally glowing.